Now, it took more than 100 years to grow a large, mature tree. And how long does it take to put in an installation of solar panels? A couple of weeks, months maybe? Use some common sense, please, in your planning. Prioritize mature, healthy trees. Don't mess with them, but love them, cherish them, and give them a chance. Keep the solar panels away from them. Second thing is that another speaker mentioned the reflections that come off of these things. That is a serious, serious issue. Health issue, for one. And the solar panels work on a roof where you have the pre-existing building there. But these things hanging up over parking lots doesn't work. Now,
Excuse me, but you have 5 seconds.
yeah, architectural renderings like this don't tell the story right. They show space when there's no space. So,
Thank you.
yeah,
Get your point. It's
Yep.
clear.